Very good day to all dear students. Today I am going to provide theorem number 6.1, which is called as basic proportionality theorem, and it is also called as Thales theorem. This is an important theorem of triangles chapter. So let us start this theorem. Theorem 6.1, that is BPT, and BPT stands for basic proportionality theorem, and another name for BPT is Thales theorem. Thales theorem. And the Thales theorem indicates or reflects the statement that if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So the statement of BPT or Thales theorem reflects that if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So before the proof of this theorem, let us talk about the properties related to BPT. So in the properties, let us take the example of a triangle ABC. If I take the example of triangle ABC, in case of triangle's area, which is half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. So if I consider BC as a base, then I can draw a perpendicular from the opposite side of this base. So from the angle A, a perpendicular can be drawn. So let us take this point as D. So if I take BC as the base in the particular triangle ABC, then from the opposite of the side of BC or base, I can draw the perpendicular which is considered as AD. So the area of triangle ABC in such condition can be half into base, which is BC, into height is perpendicular which is drawn from the opposite side, that is AD. This is a normal case of a triangle in which we can consider the area of triangle by taking any particular side as a base and the particular perpendicular which is drawn from the opposite of that base. So for the second property, if I consider the example of an obtuse angle ABC. This is a triangle with an obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degrees. That's why this is an obtuse angle triangle. So in such a case, if I consider BC as a base again, so I cannot make the perpendicular from the opposite of that base, because you can see that perpendicular cannot be drawn. So in order to maintain the perpendicular or the height, in such a case we can extend the line of base at some distance. So maintain or extend the line of base. After the extension of this base line, we can make the proper perpendicular from that side. So in the case of an obtuse angle, we extend the line of base, and then from A we can draw the line of perpendicular which is D. So in this condition, the area of triangle ABC, which is also half into base into height, and that is half into base which is BC and height which is AD. In case of obtuse angle triangle, we can make the extent of BC line or any base line, and for the particular extension of that particular base, we can maintain the particular perpendicular to that base. So the third property is when two triangles are with the same base or between the same parallels and their area is also equal to each other. When two triangles are with the same base and between the same parallels, between the same parallels, then their areas would be similar or equal to each other. Similar or equal to each other. If I consider the example, in which I have a diagram of triangles A, B, C, D. In this case, if I consider that first triangle A, B, D, triangle A, B, D, which consists of the base AB. Here, this triangle is of base AB. So, if I consider the further triangle which is ABC, which is ABC, then this triangle is also with the base of AB. This triangle is also with the base of AB. So, both the triangles consist of the same base, or both the triangles are with the same base, and both the triangles lie between the same parallels. This is first parallel line, this is second. So both lines are parallel to each other. So between the same parallels, both triangles are similar to each other. Now triangle ABD is similar or equal to triangle ABD. If I maintain any further triangle between them E. Now I have a triangle ABE. So triangle ABE is also equal to all parts of other triangles. So these were some properties related to triangles, and these are very compulsory to do for you people to understand the BPT theorem or Thales theorem. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you all got